Hey guys, we're here again with a little video. Just some information for you. Maybe a nice little DIY. Something that you never thought that you could use for this purpose. What we have here is a chalkboard. And what I was thinking, I don't have one of those chalkboard erasers. What can I use to wipe this chalk off this chalkboard? Well, I thought, you know what? Let's try a microfiber cloth. And you know what? It works great. So I thought I'd share it with my subscribers and viewers. And maybe if you didn't know this already, maybe this is some great information. And I'll show you how it works. Now, before I show you how this microfiber cloth will work on this chalkboard to erase all the chalk on it, I would like it if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and share this video for other people. Maybe they don't know about this little hack. And please like the video. I appreciate it. All right, now I'll show you. What I'm using is just a regular microfiber cloth. I'll go ahead and show you this. And it has little ridges on it. So it would basically capture the chalk. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. Just wipe it off like that. And just flip it. Now, just let you know, this chalkboard is pretty rough, but hey, it works great. And when you have too much chalk on the microfiber cloth, all you do is throw it in a washer and you can use it again and again and again. Now, those chalkboard erasers, I don't believe you can really clean them. So basically, when you use it, they get worn down, you have to buy another one. They're pretty expensive. So, what I would suggest, use a microfiber cloth. They're really not that expensive. Find them anywhere, and they work great. So that's it for today, guys. Nice little video, just a little FYI. And if you did find this video informative and you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Go ahead and subscribe so you can go ahead and be notified with any other videos that come up. And share it. Share it to someone that also maybe their teacher or they have kids that like writing on chalkboards, or yourself, someone like yourself that could benefit from this knowledge. All right, guys. Well, thank you again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. We hope you have a blessed day. Be safe. And until next time. Bye, guys.